Hi, I'm Tom Herman. I'm the Services Manager for Werner Electric. And today what I want to go through is the Rockwell Automation Knowledgebase. I'm at the Rockwell Automation standard website as far as www.rockwellautomation.com. If I look at their website here, you have the industries, capabilities, products, news and events, sales and support, sales and partners, and support. If I click on support here, it'll bring me down to an area that has all the different support options that Rockwell has to offer our customers. One of them, it's called Technical Support Center Knowledgebase. Click on this, and it'll bring you to the Knowledgebase website. Now, if you'll notice at this Knowledgebase website, it says you can either log in, reset your password, or sign up. If you do not have a sign up, or if you do not know what your sign up or your login is, hit the sign up area, and then it will go through and show you how to end up signing up for this page. I have a login, so I'll use my login here. Typically what your login is your email address. Type in my super secret password. Once you're logged in, it'll say welcome to your name and then your customer and your company name. What are all the features on this website? What can you do with this website? If you want to go through and ask questions as far as in the knowledge-based documents, if you want to look at any live chat features as far as with Rockwell Automation support technicians, this is where you can end up doing that through this portal. This website will also provide you information on your TechConnect account information and what your company's subscription is to the TechConnect service. What this will end up doing is I can search on any kind of answers. So if I have a question as far as with a product, I can go through and do a refined search as far as on a specific product. If this is the area where it goes through and says, what if you need help with? So let's enter in a search keyword. Let's enter in what we're looking to search. Okay, what is a overcurrent fault on a drive? After we submit the question, here are the possible answers down below that we would come up with. The PowerFlux 7 AC class F12 fault, hardware overcurrent. If we click on this, it provides a knowledge-based document that will show possible results or answers as far as for that question. These are some of the answers and some of the examples of answers that are out there. The knowledge-based documents are updated by Rockwell Automation daily. They are kept current. So that way, if there's any type of changes or anything that is change that is associated with this knowledge-based document, it'll be automatically updated. What if this is a good answer, or what can we do with this? We can actually indicate if this was helpful. We can email it to another individual within our organization. We can print it, or we can subscribe to updates. If we hit subscribe to updates, what that'll end up doing is if this knowledge base document ever gets updated, we will automatically get notification from Rockwell for this on this document. So what else is on this page? Searching the knowledge base is one. You can submit questions. You can actually go and hit this, and if you don't know what you're looking for, if you pick in this area, you can go in and actually by product category, go into, for example, I'm going into input-output, relays, I/O, my subject, what my question is, if I have any documents as far as if I want to attach any type of code, if I want to attach anything associated with this question, and then hit continue, and then that will send out a message to one of the Rockwell Automation technical consultants, and you'll get a response back within 24 hours as far as with your question. There's also an online chat option. So if I want to chat with an online Rockwell Automation technician, I can go into here and actually hit this area, select the topic, what kind of topic I want to end up chatting about, RS Logix 5000, drives, motion control, HMI support, and hit the chat now feature, and I will be online with a Rockwell Automation technical support consultant. So if you notice, what I'm doing is I'm hitting the tech help, and that brings me back to the knowledge base, what I would call the home page of the knowledge base. Up here is all my different areas. If you want to get into the second area is user forms. This is an independent user form area where you can actually go in and see what other customers are talking about as far as with the Rockwell products. Rockwell does monitor this for accuracy, but this is completely independent as far as, and what it's doing is just basically having other customers talk about their products and their applications. The other area that I want to get into is where we get into your TechConnect account. What this is this turns the TechConnect support website into your own private area. Okay, meaning that if you want to look at your account profile when you set up your account, if you want to change your password, this is where you end up doing this. Your Knowledgebase favorites and subscription settings. I'm going to click on that because before I talked about how you can actually apply and subscribe to a specific Knowledgebase document. What this area is this is your own customized repository for Knowledgebase documents. If you click on you want to subscribe to a document in a Knowledgebase article, it automatically goes into this area here. And then what will happen is you can pick this up at any point in time so that you don't have to go back and retype in. It's all going to be right in here in your own personal repository. And the wonderful thing about this is if this Knowledgebase document actually gets updated by Rockwell Automation, your personal repository or your personal Knowledgebase article will also get updated as well. So that way it always will stay current. Same thing with your chat history. If you go through and you create chats and you do use the online chat feature, all of your history as far as your chats will be in this area. Service ticket history. This is where all your service tickets, if you call into Rockwell Automation through your TechConnect support agreement, they automatically give you a case number. That 4 million case number number will be in here, and all of your history on your cases are recorded into this area as well. If I click on this, it will bring me right into that service ticket history and provide me the problem description, the details, what the recommended solution was, and it will also give me who the individual was at Rockwell that helped me out. In addition to, there is an area that goes into providing information on how you receive product notifications from Rockwell, such as product service advisory notifications for products, all sorts of technical information such as product obsolescence notices and notifications, all of that. It is very important that when you subscribe to this service that you profile yourself as far as for those services. Otherwise, Rockwell will not provide you that information. How to make sure that you are profiled correctly is if I go into my Knowledgebase users and subscription settings and I go down to the very bottom, it says categories, product subscription settings. I have categories down here already loaded, but I'll go in and show you how to add notifications and how to add products. If I look at a category, the category drop downs are general items, error codes, non-technical documents, patches, customer safety advisories and notifications, product changes and release notes, and so on. If I look at my products safety advisories and notices, and if I click on this and I say add category, without putting a product in it, what it will give me is all of the products associated with Rockwell Automation, and if there's ever a product safety or service advisory on every product that Rockwell offers. If I want to narrow it down, specific product category, I can look at drives and motors, for example. Now I'm going to have a product safety advisory just on drives and motors. So that way there's not all that information that gets sent out to me. Same thing with all the product categories such as product lifecycle notices. What happens when you put these in as far as your subscriptions, Rockwell will provide you with an email on a Monday morning with information providing what's happening with those products. They will indicate, please click on this link, and now it'll bring you to the Knowledgebase document automatically, and it'll show you exactly what's going on with that specific product that you subscribe to. If you don't care for what you have here, Obviously, if you just click on the product that you have highlighted, you can actually go in and delete it. So it's very simple to keep this active and current. If there is any more information that you would be looking for or any questions that you have, please contact me or a member of our services and support team for further assistance.